My question is from the May 11 exam, paper 2, question 5. So part A is pretty easy. Basically, it tells you to find how many eggs you would, how many brown eggs you would have if the probability of getting a brown egg is 5%. So I just multiplied the 5% by 240, and I got 12. Then for question 2, this gets a little harder. And so basically, I went to the textbook, page 444, and you have to use these binomial probability things. So this is the equation down here and over here. So if you still don't understand it after my video, you can go to page 444 to find out more about it. Alright, so first for part B, it asks you to find the probability that there's 15 brown eggs. So I use the binom PDF, which is on page 444. So basically you just plug it into your calculator, and I'll show you how to do that. So to use binom PDF, basically just press second vars, scroll down and choose binomial PDF, and then input your values for NP and X. And don't forget that you need commas in between each one of those. Alright, so what is NP and X? So N is the number of independent trials. So in this case, we have 240 eggs. So the independent trials, like how many times you pick the eggs, is 240 times. Then P is a probability that the egg is going to be brown. And X is the number of eggs you want to be brown. So basically, you just plug that into the calculator. Alright, and that will give you, let's see, that will give you 0.732. Oh no, sorry, 0.0732. Alright, so part C is find the probability that there's at least 10 brown eggs. So this is a little different because it says at least. So you can't just put in 10 for the value of X. So the probability that B, there's going to be at least 10 eggs. So this could be 10 brown eggs. So this could be 10, 11, 12, all the way up to 230. So since so the probability of 0 eggs plus a probability of 1 egg being brown, 2 eggs, so on, all this equals 1. So if we rearrange this formula, it's going to be probability that the egg is the brown, either there's 10 or more eggs, so like greater than or equal to, that equals 1, so over here, minus 9 probability of 9 brown eggs minus 8, 7, all the way down to 0. And make sure that you remember that you can also have 0 and doesn't have to be probability, and it can't be just the probability of 1 brown egg. So what I did was I did 1 minus all of that, so I just plugged it in to my calculator with the NP and X values, and I did that all the way to 0. And what I got was 76.4%. So therefore there are 76.4% chance that there will be at least 10 brown eggs in the 240. Alright, thanks.